Hello everybody, this is Dr. Kevin Connors and I'm going to do a short little video to remind people how to order their 23andMe in order to get the genetics rolling. We were waiting for our new genetic kit, we're still waiting, and I have just grown very tired of that, but we did receive notice that the software has been upgraded, so we're going to be able to better read the 600,000 SNPs and that we're going to get with the 23andMe. Now, we're going to get 900,000 with our new genetics kit, which is 1/3 more, but still 600,000 SNPs is one heck of a lot of SNPs. I don't care how you slice the pie, that's a lot of SNPs, so we can be able to look at a lot of your genetics through this. So those that are anxious and wanting another picture of how their health is going, I suggest that you order the 23andMe. So you have to go to 23andme.com in order to order it, or you can go to Target, or you can go to a CVS, or you can go to Walmart, or you can even go to Best Buy. Yes, how does Best Buy correlate with genetics and health? I have no idea, but they sell them there. We can't, as practitioners, purchase them and sell them as kits to our patients anymore, but you can buy them at Best Buy. I don't know. Or you can order at 23andMe. Either way, when you purchase the kit, I think you pay like $29 for the kit at any of those places. Then you go online to 23andme.com, or you can simply go online to 23andme.com and order the kit. But by going to the store, you're saving yourself a couple days. That's all you're doing. And then if you paid $29 for it at Best Buy or Target, you would only pay the difference of the $99 or the $199, depending on which service that you pick. So the 23andme.com is going to give you two different choices, the Ancestry Only service or the Health and Ancestry service. This is the one that we want. Both of them give you the same amount of gene SNPs that they read. This one just gives you a whole bunch of nice little nice reports that you might find helpful. I don't want to look at them, so I have nothing to do with those. That's your choice. This is the one that we really want, is this $99 one. That's what gives us, what will tell you what your ancestry is, yes. That's why they call it Ancestry Service. Remember, 23andMe is trying to compete with Ancestry.com. That's why they've kind of changed their names of different things here too. So, but this will give us the 600,000 plus SNPs that we need to put into our software in order to tell you different things about your health. It's $99 if you order it online again. If you bought the kit at Target or something, you pay the difference between those two. So you have to register your kit. So the whole idea when you get the kit is just to follow the instructions. So it gives you, they have really good instructions in their kit. So just follow the instructions. You must register the kit. You'll have to create a username and password on 23andme.com. Write that down, save it, because we need it. So you need to email us your 23andme.com username and password. Please do not call and tell us it over the phone. Email it to us so I can copy it and paste it in there and get your raw data when it comes in. So email us your username and password that you will have created through 23andme.com when you register your kit. Now understand, when you get your kit, you will be told that you have to go on their website and register it. So then they will ask you, do you want this one or this one? And you make the choice. So this is the one that's included in your plan, though. They will walk you through the steps that you need. It's not a blood test. So you don't need to worry about that. It's a saliva test. So you'll be spitting into this tube thing here, and you just follow the instructions. But when you do register your kit, save your username and password and email that to us. And then they'll give you exact directions on what to do. So it's really quite simple. The only time people find it difficult to do is when they have a hard time getting enough spit. So make sure that you work up some spit and bring back the old days when you were on the mound pitching for your high school team. So follow the directions, get that sent in. Just drop it back in the mail. It comes with a prepackaged, pre-mailing label on it, and so that we can get that cooking. And then when you send us your username and password, and when we They will not inform us that your test is done. They will inform you, yay, your test is done, we got it. They'll actually send you an email saying, hey, we received your kit. It'll be X amount of days or weeks before we get it back, and then they'll send you another email. So watch for their emails. They're pretty good with that. And then they'll finally send you an email, hey, your data is ready and you can look at your ancestry. That's when you want to call our office and make an appointment for a Zoom meeting. So we'll do a Zoom meeting, an individual Zoom meeting with you, either myself or Dr. Halderman, and we will go over your data. But we will need your username and password to pull the data off of 23andMe.com to put into our software so that we can spit out a beautiful report for you. So we need that information. So pretty simple. Just follow the directions. You can get your kit. You can save a little bit of time by getting your kit at Walmart or Target or Best Buy or CVS pharmacies. And then you'll just go online and follow the instructions exactly that came in the kit. All right, thanks. Pretty easy, and looking forward to get this started. Not everybody needs to hurry up and do this one. You can still wait and get the larger kit that's going to have, a third more snips in it. But we just can't promise. I know everybody's growing impatient, and nobody's more impatient than Dr. Hallerman and I. It's just very frustrating, but we don't have any say in it. So, but we'll get a good reading on these, so I'm very excited about the upgraded software. All right, thanks so much. Bye-bye.